I'm going to stick the FASTAG now. So this is the front portion of the FASTAG and this is the back portion. So we are going to stick the back portion on the windshield. So don't stick in any of the corner. Okay, don't stick in any of the corner. Also don't stick at the center. Don't stick at the center. And so you may have this diamond cutter, so don't stick here also. So go to the left of the diamond cutter. Don't from the center, just go a little bit left and stick just some 1 inch below the top screen, and where the co-passenger sits, just try to stick near to the co-passenger. Okay, you can see the windshield here. I'm not sticking at the center. I'm going to stick at the little left than the center. Okay, so one main reason why we should not stick at the center, it may disturb your view when you are driving. So don't stick at the center. Just take this sticker a little left to the left side, so that in front of the co-passenger seats. Okay, let's see how to stick. So I'm going to remove the I'm going to take away the sticker from this tag. So
Okay,
take
so
like this.
he's going to take it like this and he's going to stick on the car.
So
Back side also it can be something.
this is what it should be on the windshield. So I'm taking this like this.
It should be
I'm
like
going to
this.
Stick on this windshield. Okay.
He told Kara to not turn the windows. He told not correctly. He told that we should stick on that diamond corner. He told not correct. No, see he correctly stripped it off. Very good. Oh, he's sticking nice and beautiful. Fast. Take. Press button.